Hello, my name is Elizabeth Zamora, and I have found an awesome website for you to check out. It has ratings, comments, and reviews on movies, shows, books, and so much more. So, for example, if your child really wants to go see Endgame and you have no clue what it's going to be about, what kind of message it's going to be sending to the children, or what kind of content it will be showing, well, the ratings and reviews will give you an idea to see if you approve or if you don't approve. So, here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to Google and we're going to type in Common Sense Media. It should be the first link that pops up. And if you see how my page looks, then you're at the right spot. If you're a parent, then you're going to click on this one, but you could also click on educators or advocates. But since we're here for parents, you're going to click on parents. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to see Endgame or Escape Room. So we're going to click on Avengers Endgame. And parents, some parents say that it's for ages 13 and up, and kids say it's for ages 11 and up. So you kind of get both sides of the story. So it has good positive messages in the movie, some violence. So it's up to you from like your perspective if you want your child to be seeing this or not. So if you're not here for the movies, you can also see, if you go up here and click on Parents Need to Know, you can go by ages, by topic, or Parents A Limited Guide to, or even articles. So let's say we do preschools. You will see that how to set parent control on Netflix, and you'll be able to control what your kids see, or even add a password to your phone so that way they don't mistakenly log on to Netflix by accident. I really like how they have parent reviews on here, so that way you get an idea. And also, I like how it's free, so you're more than welcome to use it. Thank you so much for watching.